How much do you usually charge when you do like day services?
I charge way more, but since we are starting, we can start with the low amount. But once you start gaining trust on me, and once you think that I'm giving you the valid leads, then we can scale it up later on. Okay. Normally, I charge 500 per month, 500, 600. That's my basic charge, $500 to $600 per month.
For just data entry, or for actually like selling, or not selling, like doing messages and outreach too?
No, for that one, it could be a little bit higher.
Hi, Monir.
Hello, Chris. Good morning.
Morning. How's it going?
It's going great. How about you?
Good. Good. Can't complain.
Hey, that's great to know. You're from USA? Where are you from?
Yep. Yeah. East Coast by New York.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Okay. So tell me more about the business and how can I help you? How many leads you need per month?
Yeah. So still starting out, like working on getting, but I just want to scale up the calls right now. So it's like a creative agency. So I do like video editing and offers like YouTube services.
So you're going to offer the YouTubers the video editing service. That's the plan?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. But it's like everything. It's going to be like editing, scripting the videos to an extent, and then like doing research on their niche. So I help them get like video ideas so they can rank on YouTube too. So yeah, I need like 300 to 500 leads, I would say. And then I'm still debating if I want to use someone to do the emails or just automate the process. So yeah, because I tried to use like tools to scrape YouTube, because that's when I have like the highest response rate, is when I contact YouTubers versus just people on LinkedIn that have businesses, because a lot of times they don't post content.
What tool did you use?
So I used Fiverr. It wasn't that good quality. And I also used this other tool called Get Leads, and it wasn't really like good quality either. So
paid tools or free tools?
the one I tried was a paid tool.
Okay. Are you specifically targeting people in the USA, or it's like it could be from London, anywhere?
Yeah. Yeah, it can be anywhere that speaks English. It could be Europe, like any European country if they speak English.
That's great. Then why specific those niche? Why not any other random YouTubers?
Because that's the niche like I've been seeing the best results with. Like I know finance is a good niche, but I think it's a little more saturated. Like the expat travel tax consultants, like they've been like responding best to my message. So I don't think they get hit up by like as many marketing agencies and stuff. And I think it's something I'm interested in. So it's
okay. So you need around 300 leads. Is that what you're saying? For a month?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So manually, it may take time to scrape leads every day. So I'm down to do that. I can do that. And I saw your post, the pay rate and everything. So how are you gonna pay and how much you gonna pay?
So yeah, that's what I'm still trying to decide if I should do it like hourly, because it is like more manual versus just like X amount of leads. So I'm thinking between like $3 to $5 an hour, and it's not going to be like 40 hours a week. I don't need that much, and I'm still like bootstrapping the business. So
you didn't mention anything hourly on that post. You mentioned like $250, something like that. $200.
Yeah.
Per month.
Yeah, well, that was just kind of like a general price, but we can like talk more on negotiator on that. How much do you usually charge when you do like day services?
I charge way more, but since we are starting, we can start with the low amount. But once you start gaining trust on me, and once you think that I'm giving you the valid leads, then we can scale it up later on. Okay. Normally, I charge 500 per month, 500, 600. That's my basic charge, $500 to $600 per month.
For just data entry, or for actually like selling, or not selling, like doing messages and outreach too?
No, for that one, it could be a little bit higher. Like if you want me to do the outreach, if you want me to convert them into a sales, then it can be a little bit higher. Sometimes I work on a base salary, and then commission base, like 10% or 5% of the commission lead that you close, and the base salary, something like that. So it really depends on the business. Since you were just starting, you're not established business. So we can start with the low amount. Later on, we can scale it up.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. How many hours do you think you'd be able to like invest into this project a week? I'm assuming you have like other people you're working with.
I can provide you 300, 400 leads as you may require 3 to 400 leads. It may take time because I have to figure out, I have to go one by one, match with your requirements, that does it matching with your requirements or not. I cannot just give you any random leads. I have to open the lead, open the channel, then match it with your requirements and then submit that on the file. Okay?
I understand, yeah. So do you use any like data scraping tools yourself? Do you think anything would be good to, because you can't really scrape YouTube, can you?
I have data scraping tools.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
And one more thing you
How do
mentioned,
you?
it should be around less than 100K. How about if it's a new channel, like there has like only 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers? Will that work or not?
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's I gonna say? What do you use to get paid usually? Like Wise or something?
Wise is good for me. Yes, I have Wise,
Okay.
Payoneer, I have PayPal, but I prefer Wise because that's the easiest way to get paid.
Okay. I see. Okay. So, what time zone are you in, by the way? Where are you based?
I am from Bangladesh. Right now,
Okay.
here is 8 p.m., 10 p.m.
Oh, so okay. Okay, so about 11 hours ahead. All right. I'll message you on Monday, and then we can talk further. How do you say your name? Monir?
Yes, you can call me Munir. Yeah,
Monir? All right. Awesome.
that's
Thanks.
the
Nice to
short,
meet you.
that's the short version actually.
Oh, this short one? Okay. I see.
Okay, Chris.
All right. Have a
It's
good
been
week.
nice have a meeting with you, and we'll be looking forward to talk to you again on Monday.
Likewise. Enjoy.